Okay, so for my horticulture poster project, I did the effect of native plants on attracting beneficial insects. Um, Pesticides are, more harmful in more ways than one. A lot of conventional methods of preserving crops involve using harmful pesticides in order to keep unwanted pests away and making sure that crops grow to their full potential. The issue is there's obviously lots of side effects to this, but actually nature has its own way of being able to um, kind of protect the crops, and that's by having beneficial pests around to destroy the bad pests that are causing issues for the plants. So the way you can possibly do that is by adding in native plants in order to draw these beneficial insects in. So my studies focused majorly on how these different native plants can attract these beneficial insects to be able to stop these bad pests. And so here are my results. In the studies, they found that certain different types of plants, like sunflowers and milkweed, attracted these beneficial insects. And so, in order to be able to keep drawing in these beneficial insects, they're trying to figure out which crops draw in, which insects, so they can kind of manipulate which beneficial insects they want to be in their garden. And with more research and more studies, they should be able to eventually figure out a way to kind of have a crop to associate with each beneficial insect, to be able to draw all these insects in to protect these crops and not have to use the conventional methods and dangerous methods of pesticides.